This is the Hobbico Flyzone Cessna182. I'm Velo945 and this is my review of their product. I'm a newbie and a beginner. It comes with a very nice Tactic 440 4-channel servo reversing trim adjustment transmitter. Nice 4-channel receiver. Alright, this is my second fuselage. The first one is right here. That's after 3 crashes. First crash, the aileron and the top wing was loose. So what it made to do, it turned more to the left and nosedive, bent the motor, shaft, broke the cowl, firewall, prop, straps on the landing gear. Okay, tightened it up. Thought it was good to go. Got another motor. Got it squared away. Took off again. This time it nosedived right off the bat. I couldn't get enough up elevator. And actually, it went more to the left. Well, what I found out is that on the right side, when you pull up on the elevator, it pulls up another 4 millimeters. And that's what made it crash. So they've even reinforced it here, which is not enough. So I took toothpicks, glued them in there, and stiffened it. I cut about 2 millimeters off the rudder. That gave me more up and more down. I've put packing tape all around the edges of the elevator, rudder, and the wings. Now, the ailerons. They all have small nylon hinges inserted. I've actually separated it from the wing. I used my clothes iron to actually heat up the edges and get them back to their original form, and I was able to put the hinges in no problem. So I reinforced it with, believe it or not, surgical tape. Like if you ever had an IV in your arm, they use tape to put down. You know how sticky that is. So I put it on both sides and it works great. I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better. Don't buy packing tape, or don't buy hinge tape. It's a waste of money. Packing tape is the same thing. Also on the elevator, I attached, those are butterfly straps. Same thing, if you cut your face or cut something, you put a butterfly strip on. Well, that's what I've done here. And that's just more reinforcement. And these also have nylon hinges in, measured at even distance on the elevator, on the wings. Okay, I'm a member of Tower Hobbies. And one thing the book doesn't tell you, you have to condition the battery. The battery, you know, I read a lot of reviews. I even put my own comment on the Hobbico's YouTube video. Underpowered, crashed. Well, according to Tower Hobbies, if you have NIM or NICAD batteries, you got to cycle them 5 to 10 times for them to gain enough power so you can get endurance out of the battery. So what I've done was I've tied it down, run it full throttle for 30 seconds as if I was imitating a takeoff, put it back to mid-range where it was running half idle, or running at half speed, and it ran for 7 minutes and 25 seconds before it just cut off. You can actually kind of power it back up again, and the propeller will actually run full speed, but then it'll cut off after about a second or two. I'm guessing it might give you a little bit, you know, if you're flying, may give you a little bit more time to get it safely to the ground. The battery was hot. I tried to charge it, started beeping, so I had to unplug it. Other than that, as for a beginner plane, it's not. I'm going towards a pusher prop glider that's got EPO foam that's more forgiving. This is more for somebody that's been flying for a while. I've spent over, close to $150 just in repairs, new motors, extra battery, everything I needed to fix this plane to get it back to almost like it was. Waste of money, because I bought something bigger and better. So I got a lot of extra parts. You can actually, if you bend the prop shaft, you can actually straighten it out. It's on YouTube. You can actually do it. I've done it. So I've got 2 extra motors now. Just be careful with it. Other than that, you know, it's your choice. All I'm saying is that you probably should modify the plane. And that's it. Everybody have a good day.